Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in our today's video we will be learning the distance formula. We will be learning the distance formula from the chapter coordinate geometry of standard 10. So in this video I have taken a problem from exercise 7.1, the first question, and we will see how to find a distance between these 2 points, two coordinate points. So there is this formula for finding the distance. So first let's see the formula. So the formula is given as root and inside the root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus bracket y2 minus y1 the whole square. So now what are these x2s and y2s and x1s and y1s? These are nothing but the formula terms in which we are going to enter this point. Now how are we going to enter this point? Now which point will be x2, which point will be x1, which will be y2 and which will be y1, that we are going to see now. Now you all know that whenever we are dealing with such types of points, we know that the first number is usually denoted as x and the second number is usually denoted as y, correct? Whenever we are plotting the points on this point on the x-axis and this point on the y-axis, correct? So similarly here also we are going to mark them as x and y. So every bracket has a point from the x axis and the y axis, and here also x and y. So altogether we have two brackets over here. So the first number will be x and the second number will be y. Here also x and y. So let's denote it. See, I have put x and y on top of them, x and y. The first number is always x and second number is always y, x and y, x and y. But in this formula we want x2, x1, y2, y1, but over here there is only x, x and y. So what we should do, the points in the first bracket we will mark them as 1 and the numbers in the second bracket we will mark them as 2. So numbers in the first bracket will become 1, the x1 and y1, and from the second bracket it will become 2. We will give them the 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So now can we put these values in a formula according to this? Yes, we can. So now let's start. Root bracket. So first we have to put the value of x2. What is x2? It is 4. 4 minus x1 is 2 square plus y2 minus y1. So y2 is how much? 1 minus y1. y1 is 3, the whole square. Now solve. First we will solve inside the bracket. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is 2 minus 2. Why? Sign of the greater number. 3 is showing negative, so I am giving it sign square. Then square of 2 is 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2 again 4. See, minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 is a square root of which number now? We know 2 2s are 4. So if I do like this, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how many 2s we are getting? 3. So I can write it as 2, 1 2 and 1 2 will go in the root. And this is our final answer, or the distance 2 root 2 is the distance between these 2 points. With this we are done with these problems. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like watching my channel and my videos, then please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.